All right, we just got this. Let me show you the QR codes for Facebook. I think that might be Instagram next to it, and then that must be YouTube. And we flip it this way, you can see what's going on here, right? This is the scuba thing. So we're gonna unbox it, right? Here we go, you guys ready? Here we go, bam. There it is, unboxed. All right, so this is important, you're gonna need that. This, I do believe, you got a code that you can scan, and then you can, look up all the directions. This kind of tells about it right here. This is a diagram of it, if you guys want to do a screenshot of that. Okay, so it does come with this, is the belt, I do believe, that it connects on your waist. And we're gonna have to figure out, oh yeah, so it goes like this. This I think is, oh yeah, look at this. What is this? Okay, this is more stuff. This must go around it so that you don't lose it and you can keep it on your wrist, I think. Yeah, what else is in there? Oh, O-rings. You're gonna need those, don't lose those. Oh, here's the, this is your strap. Here's another strap. Let's see what else. And another strap, 3 straps. All right, so that's the pouch I believe it goes in, right? It's got this little hook up. It's got this little thing here to grab. All right, let's set that to the side. Okay, oh look. Wow, nice. Comes with this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I hope this is like a frog-free mask. Look at that, bam. It does come with a, oh nice. Such a nice mask. Tempered glass, very nice. There's the name right there on it. Let's set that to the side. What's here? Oh, this is the gauge. Yeah. So you can see that this is a learning curve, and we're gonna have to figure it all out, right? But it works kind of like your regular, scuba tank, I would imagine. Let's set that right there. Okay, what do we got here? This is your mouth piece, right? That must go on top there. And then, so this connects to the tank. It has your gauge right here, if you guys can see. It tells you how many pounds you've got. It does have another QR code on here. And this comes off. Let's put this back on so we don't lose it. This may go in the tank. Probably that screws into the tank. So let's set that there. And let's look at the tank. Yeah, there it is. There's the tank, and this is where that goes. Pretty sure, yeah. So anyway, that is gonna screw into that right there, okay? So, and then let's go ahead and we'll put this back here for now. We're gonna put this back in here because we don't wanna screw that up. Keep that in there. Here's our mouthpiece. I think our mouthpiece goes on here. I'm pretty sure it goes right here. Just like that. Okay. Right. Okay, so that should be good. This comes off like that. And I do believe that this goes right here. Yeah, hang on. You don't lose any of this stuff. And then this would go here like this. I do believe. God damn. This is heavy, man. You don't want to cross thread this. You know what I mean? Be careful. Bam. Now we're in, right? So, yeah, that's how you set that up. Now, there's nothing in there, you can see. It's got to be pumped up, which I do believe is where this was going to come in handy. We got to pump it up somehow. I don't know how that's going to work. I might have to buy a pump. But let's go ahead and we'll undo this for now, right? Because we want to store it until we take it out in the pool and figure out how to fill it up with air. You don't want to lose any of these pieces. So yeah, which set that back, turn it so you can see the new. Don't lose this. So make sure you put it all back like that. And then righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, take that off. Whoops, set that back in here, just like that. Let's save that. And let's go ahead and we'll keep, oh, you know what we forgot to do? Forgot to put this on here. We don't want nothing bad getting in there, you know what I mean? You don't want to be breathing, you know, aunts or uncles. Then, yeah, this was in here like this, I think. It was smushed in there somehow. I don't know if we have to put that back in there. Let's just leave that there. Let's go ahead and put these in here. Let's put this here. Let's put this stuff in here. So we want to save all this. We don't want to lose it all. And then what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to bone up on this. We got to read this up, figure out how to do it, and then we're going to go ahead and fill that with air and go in the pool and try it out. How's that sound? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos where I use this thing. Peace out.